These guys are my. I don't
Is that
like
the
you.
queen?
Oh, that might be the queen. Can you hold on to the queen?
Yeah, of course.
Right, watch after her really well. I'm gonna do this quick.
All right, guys, we're approaching the beehives. It's honey day.
See, we're here. Hi, guys.
And now they're pissed.
Now they're just.
Getting pissed.
They just know something's different. The smoke's supposed to calm them down. Once they know we're here, they will all greet us with open stingers. Hello, guys! Right now they're all here. We're just trying to push them down. They propolis. Let's get some good propolis in this guy. Propolis. See, there they are. Just we're gonna push them back down. They're not happy. Now you take your thing and throw it on top. They're running away. God, I love the smell so much. Hey guys. Let's see how it works. Still see a few.
Don't you have like a box, or are you gonna take the whole thing open?
Try. So right now they're very happy.
Very.
Let's just throw this guy in there. Try to push him out of there again. Put some BEEHIVE on there.
All right, guys, welcome back to the bee honey. I don't know, what do you call this? Like taking the honey out of the boxes. Right now we're just not numbing, I guess we're just making this stuff right here makes the bees get away from the hive, and we're just trying to get them out of this first box right here so we can get the honey out, because they are hard workers and we take all their hardworking earned cash, I guess, bee currency. And yeah, see you guys when we're doing stuff.
Let's see what's going on. Right now they're talking amongst each other. What's going on top? It smells like dead sewage. Yes, it does.
We're about to have, there's a bee on the lens. It's awesome.
That's half full. Yeah, I'm not doing short ones anymore. These guys upgraded. And these are the small ones. Imagine what the heavy ones are gonna feel like.
I did this before. Bigger.
Alright, let me stop it for you. Alright, there you go. See what happens. Centrifugal force pushes the honey outward. So there's two frames, one on the left, one on the right. You spin it, the honey flies on the wall. And then you flip sides and then do the same thing again and then it falls on the wall. You can edit it, my voice and just put your voice.
Science.
Let's see what these guys went up to. This guy we might go a little deeper. Just because the top hive was only put in like a month ago or less than a month ago, like a couple weeks ago. So I don't know how
long this one been in?
How full these are. Yeah, see the middle ones? Here, you can come in here. Come in, you can cover like so you can see on the sides.
Yeah.
Like these are full, these are full, these are full. Empty, 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 empty. So since this is new, I'm gonna see what they did in the middle. This is the baby chamber, the brood chamber is right here. Should be where they do the food up there.
What's this stuff up here?
That's the propolis. It's super healthy for you if you into that stuff. And this is where we're gonna get the most amount of unhappiness, right down here.
That's what they like to see.
All you hear is just this stuff just ripping off. Okay, let's find out. Let's push them in there. Right now they're not bothered because we haven't killed anybody. We haven't set up a pheromone saying kill the guy with the smoke.
Now they have.
Right now they know something's wrong. Smoke's supposed to calm them down, but sometimes I feel it does the opposite. I'm trying to see if there's any babies because I don't want to rob too many babies. I mean, it's impossible not to get any. So if there's more babies, then I'm just not gonna leave it alone. Let's pop one open. Wow, this is stuck. Both sides. Okay, I mean, it looks capped. Fine. But where are the babies? See, there's not that much honey. See, this is capped honey, what we want to take, but this is just nectar right here. That's not capped, and this is babies. So what I'm seeing right now, I'm not really wanting to take from them.
Is it all the frames like that?
You know what? Find out. Let's get some a little upset. They're upset, but they're not dead, which is important. Got stung already. See, what you want to do is you want to get that. Once they sting you, they'll release a pheromone that says kill the guy that I stung. And right now they'll get more irritated the more you go into this because the more of them are getting their pheromone on you. These are all babies, these are just worthless. I would do more damage to the hive taking this honey than I would helping the hive. But since I'm here, let me see if I can find the queen. See how this guy right here is a fatty? Where did he go? See that fat guy right there?
No.
See? There's a fat guy right there. He won't sting you. He won't do anything. All he does is eat honey and mate with the queen. But once he mates with the queen, he dies. So not too much is known about those guys. I was hoping to get some from this guy today, but I'd rather have a strong hive than a dead hive. Alright guys, you guys lucked out. Or lucked in, I guess. Go. So they have that air hole on top with that little exit. Alright. Oh wow. Yeah. These guys are gonna hate us. Come on guys, get back in the hole. Once I knock them in there, they'll get back in. I think there's a feeder in here. Alright, ready? These guys are my I don't
Is that
like
the
you.
queen?
Oh, that might be the queen. That's the queen. Oh my goodness, Queenie, what are you doing up here? Queenie, come here. Come here, Queenie. Queenie, Queenie. Oh, I need you. I need you out of here, girl. She can't fly. See how her wings are smaller than her body? Right, watch after her really well. I'm gonna do this quick.
What if she falls? She shouldn't.
When she falls, that hive is in trouble. Ready?
Yeah, somewhat.
All right, put your finger by that one over there on the second one.
She's under my hand.
Let her slowly go down. Oh. That could have lost your hive right there.
Good thing I saw that.
Oh man, you are awesome.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Oh man, you are awesome. Let me push you down a little bit. Alright, we're gonna do things a little backwards. We're gonna put the B-go right now so they get pushed to the bottom. Okay, see how they hate our gun?
Yeah.
I want you guys to go inside. Put this thing down. There we go. B-go my butt. Look at this B-go. I am a valid representative. B-go does not work. If you're the B-go company, please explain yourself.
Not sponsored. BEEHIVE, if you're seeing this video, your product's not working. Send us some more, and then it might work.
Where's my hive tool?
You left it.
Did I really?
I don't know.
Because if I did, they're gonna start coming on top.
As we see the natural beekeeper running because he forgot his tools and he's a noob. Here's the noob, and we're back to the job.
Nothing like a 95 degree weather run.
In a 120-degree bee suit.
Yeah,
It's like oozing out on top.
yeah, that smells good. No!
It's a dud.
No.
It's a dud.
This was
Aside here, yeah.
full of babies.
You should check this side then.
All babies.
It's mating season. That's some nice honey though.
That is not what I expected.
Just a failed video. You failed me.
We got one hive. Alright, I'm gonna switch sides.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put this one back on the bottom so the babies are gonna go in here, then let the food go on top. I thought I did it in time, but well, I guess I did. It is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Okay.
I'm trying to push him back inside.
Time to weigh the honey. see your total amount. Sometime soon. What does it say?
It says 21.8. 21.8. Yeah. From one hive, the smallest one.
21. All 20 of my people who watch this video are going to be disappointed in us.
You know, other than pissing off a lot of bees, we got some good education out of it.
We did. So if you're watching this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Let's get a lot of likes on this video because I like likes. And we need likes to get bigger so more people see us. Woo!